Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's dive into a common problem that some developers might face. Picture this. You've just upgraded your Xcode to version 16, and suddenly you're hit with an unexpected service error while building your app. The dreaded message reads, "The Xcode build system has crashed. Build again to continue." Quite a headache, right? Don't worry, we've got a solution for you. Let's talk about the solution now. The key to resolving this build system crash is to use a handy command in your terminal. Simply run yarn iOS simulator iPhone 16 Pro Max. This command could work like magic in getting rid of that pesky error. Give it a try and see the magic happen. Now, let's delve deeper into the solution. When running code build, you might encounter an issue related to React Native Image Crop Picker. The error message might point towards a specific file causing trouble. For instance, it could be scanning dependencies in a particular directory or module. But fret not, we got the perfect fix for you. By upgrading React Native Image Crop Picker from version 0.40.3 to 0.41.2, you'll bid farewell to that annoying error. Just a simple version update, and voila, the problem is solved. Sometimes it's the little changes that make all the difference. To wrap it up, we've covered a solution to a common Xcode build system crash problem encountered by some developers. By running a specific terminal command and updating a package, you can wave goodbye to those error messages and get back to smooth sailing with your app development. Remember to hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding everyone!